Good morning. This is Shaunte Parker from Bennett Realty coming to you on What's Up Wednesdays. It's my opportunity to keep you abreast and tell you what's going on in the real estate market in the DC metropolitan area. Well, today I have some really exciting news. DC and Wells Fargo have a program called City Lift DC. This is a program where homeowners can get up to $20,000 to purchase a home. Wells Fargo has partnered with some local nonprofit organizations in DC to make these funds available to homeowners. One of the major drawbacks in buying a house is actually having the money to do so, because in buying a home, you need to have 3.5% for your down payment, and you also need to have closing costs help. My job as your real estate agent is to ensure that the seller contributes to the closing cost help. But a lot of buyers fall off with actually having the down payment, because 3.5% of $200,000 or whatever the sales price is a lot of money. So DC and a lot of other states have put in place home buyer assistance program where you can get funds to help you do so. So City Lift allows you to get up to $20,000. This program is taking place on October 5th, which is a Friday, and 6th, which is a Saturday, all day long at the DC Convention Center. Here, you'll be able to find out if you actually qualify to buy a home, if you're ready. If you're not ready, they'll give you the steps and show you what you need to do credit-wise to become eligible to buy a home. You can also reserve your $20,000 for up to 60 days, because if you have not identified a property as of yet, you will be able to hold on to those funds until you do. I'll be there as a real estate agent who can help and walk you through the process and provide information and education about the process. You will also be able to take a bus tour. Yeah, a bus tour. They're going to have buses take you around in DC and show you available homes. I also want to tell you about other programs in DC that if this one doesn't work out for you, there's some others that you might consider. For example, there's the HPAP program, which is the Housing Purchase Assistance Program in DC. You do have to be a first-time home buyer with low to moderate income, and there are financial guidelines to let you know if you qualify for that. But with that program, you can get up to $40,000 to help you purchase a home. In addition, in DC, there are many foreclosed homes, short sale homes, abandoned homes, and homes that are in need of repair. Well, along with the HPAP program, there's the Housing Purchase Rehab program that you can get up to $35,000 if you use the federal 203K rehab loan. You can get the extra $35,000 to do the repairs. DC has a couple of other programs that I want to tell you about. Later on, you can go to my website to get the remainder of the information, or if you have any questions, feel free to call me. But there's also the Employee Assistance Housing Program, which is a match program where your employer can match up to $1,500, but they also can give you a deferred loan of up to $10,000 to help you buy the property. And when they say deferred loan, what they mean by that is if you stay in the property for a number of years, you end up not having to pay that loan. But it is something that's attached to your property, and it needs to be paid back if you do sell the property. So that's why they call it a deferred loan. But there's also the home purchase program in DC for certain DC employees who are a member of a union or collective bargaining unit. With that program, you can get up to $26,500 to purchase a home. So DC has some wonderful down payment and closing cost assistance program, but they have this other program that I haven't seen anywhere else, and it's called the DC Tax Abatement Program. You can actually, if you qualify, can live in the home for 5 years tax free. That's it, tax free. You will not pay any property taxes. In fact, when you purchase the home, you won't even pay the recordation taxes and the transfer taxes to buy the home. The home value, though, has to be under $356,000, but that's an awesome program because that takes a couple $100 off your mortgage payment to actually live in the house for 5 years as you get comfortable being a homeowner, not having to pay that, being exempt from it. So that's it from Shaunte Parker today, Bennett Realty. What's Up Wednesdays. I love What's Up Wednesdays because I enjoy sharing information with you. Please visit my website at www.exitwithparkernow.com to get more information. Or you can call me at 240-423-5911. That's my cell phone. Or you can send me an email at exitwithparker@gmail.com. Again, my website is www.exitwithparkernow.com. And all this information that I just shared with you, I know it was quick, will be available. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned to next Wednesday. What's Up Wednesdays in Real Estate with Shaunte Parker from Bennett Realty.